Welcome all. I am Parthivan Palanichami going to discuss about different losses. Already we have discussed about internal and external losses in the steam turbine. In this video I am going to show what are the other losses will be appear using the steam turbine system. In generally the losses will be come under that obstruction of the steam flow or else effect of the steam flow in this system. Let's start one by one. The wheel friction loss is one of the important losses which is leads to reduce the turbine efficiency. It is nothing but it occurs when the turbine wheel rotates in steam. This loss takes place due to resistance offered by the steam to the moving turbine wheel or disc. As a result of this loss, the turbine wheel rotates at a lower speed. The mechanical friction loss is one of the another important loss where it is loss in both turbine which occurs due to friction between the shaft and the wheel bearing as well as regulating the valves, which means when some important guiding or governing system will affect the steam flow inside the steam tube. In order to the mechanical losses also accumulate by the system obstruction. This mechanical system will absorb some quantity of steam energy from the steam system. In order to the overall efficiency will reduce. This loss can be reduced by lubricating the moving parts of turbine. And leakage loss is another one important loss where we are using the steam turbine in between the joints or in between the valves and the seating place there will be some leakages which leads to reduce the steam turbine efficiency. This will come under the leakage loss category. It is losses in both turbines which occurs due to leakage of steam at each stage to the turbine blade tips. These turbine losses also appear from the moisture content. It is losses in both the turbines which takes place due to moisture present in the steam. This loss occurs when the steam passing through lower stage becomes wet. The velocity of water particles is less than steam. As a result of this, the steam has to drag the water particles which reduce the kinetic energy of the steam, which means when the moisture absorption occurs while flowing the steam into the steam line, the moisture content will carry some amount of or some portion of heat from the steam. In order to the steam will reduce their super saturated level so that the steam also contaminate with some amount of moisture so that in the overall efficiency of the plant will be reduced as well as the steam consist of the moisture will leads to affect the moving blade or moving system into the turbine. So that we should careful about the moisture loss. In the loss not only that thermal related loss also will affect the turbine overall system. And then the radiation loss, it is a loss in both the turbines which takes place due to difference of the temperature between the turbine casing and the surrounding atmosphere. This is reduces by properly insulating the turbine, which means due to the convection loss, the radiation losses will be appear while flowing the steam into the steam line. The radiation may be occur, which leads to reduce the efficiency. That is also one of the account of the steam turbine loss. Then governing loss, if it is the loss in both turbines which occurs due to throttling of the steam at the main stop valve of the governor. In order to the losses also accumulated from the governing system, because the governing system will have transmission unit as well as sliding unit and a rotary unit. Because of that, this system will consume enough amount of energy from the overall steam energy, so that the energy will continuously access through the governing system. It is showing that the overall losses will be accounted by this system. So this is also one of the important account in the lossing of steam turbine system. Thanks for watching. Within this I will conclude this steam turbine topics. In the next topic will be provided in the unit 4. Thanks.